Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Food for Taste Buds. Today I am going to show you a recipe on radish which is called Mooli ki Sabzi. So the required ingredients are 2 radish finely cut into small cubes, 1 onion chopped, coriander leaves finely chopped, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 3 tablespoon of oil, salt as per your taste, then 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So let me switch on the stove and place the pan on medium flame. Add 3 tablespoon of oil. I'm adding 3 tablespoon of oil here. And wait till the oil gets heated up. To this, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and leave it for 10 seconds. Add 1 cup of finely chopped onions and saute it till it turns golden brown. So I'm sauteing it maybe for 2 to 3 minutes till it turns golden brown. So now the onion has turned golden brown. To this I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and saute it till the rawness of paste goes away, maybe for 10 seconds. Now I'm adding 2 radish which are cut into cubes and saute for 5 minutes. Saute it till the water from the radish evaporates. So to this I'll add 1 tablespoon of salt. You can add salt as per your taste. Then add half tablespoon of chilli powder and saute it again. Then add half tablespoon of turmeric powder. You can add turmeric powder first and then chilli powder. In any order you can add it. Saute it well. Close it with a lid for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes I can see that the radish has almost cooked. So to this I'm adding 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder, saute it and add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, saute it for a minute. Now the Mooli ki Sabzi is ready to be served. You can garnish it with coriander leaves. You can serve Mooli ki Sabzi with rotis or rice and sambar. Subscribe to my channel and click on like button. Thank you.